based upon the inside of the shell, because that's where the mechanism fits into. And here it is right here. You got these two cutouts here. You got the end there, which I'm replicating right here. And then the ends are the same length as the engine. So this interior part here is the same as here, and so on. The purpose of this was simply to get a pattern that would fit around the mechanism. So it would fit around like yay. It is 1/8 of an inch thick. I figured that would be strong enough. So that's for the start. After a couple of attempts, I came up with this. So the idea is the shell fits on the chassis, and we have room on the inside for the mechanism, and that the model would be built around this. So this would act as a skeleton, I suppose you'd call it. The shell would just be the minimum. So, slowly working my way up